Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. Today's topic of discussion is how to transfer cash from a Payoneer account to another Payoneer account. When you transfer cash from one Payoneer account to another one, it's the transaction is normally for free. So we'll come here, and for the first thing we'll be doing is signing to the Payoneer account. Payoneer account is very secure. It asks me for a two-step verification method. It has sent a code to my phone number, which is 8271351. For you to, because this is an online bank, you need to put it very secure. So apart from logging in with your credentials, you also need to come and use the two-step verification. In the link, you will find other tutorial how to enable the two-step verification method. So when we'll come to here and say that we need to make a payment. Once we need to, when we say we need to make a payment, we need to say to a recipient Payoneer account, pay is for free. We said transferring money transfer from a Payoneer to another Payoneer is for free. So the first very thing we'll be doing is we'll type. We can see this is the recipient that we want to send cash. The recipient email. Then payment details it needs to be from my USD balance, which is available 84.2. The amount that we want to transfer is exactly 84.2 exactly US dollars. Purpose for payment, we are paying a debt. We are paying a debt. Then we'll come here and see, we will review to confirm whether we've put the right details. This is the recipient email address. Then we are transferring 84.2 US dollars. You have to click I confirm the payment details above. Then we will say we pay. Then in a very few minutes, I know the transaction will be ready. It tells me the two-step verification method, as I've said, ensures the safety for the online bank. Before you do any transaction, they have to keep monitoring that you are the one. This is the only way that nobody can steal anything from your online bank. So go in the description link, you'll find the way to enable a two-step verification method. Now I've enabled it. It enhances security. You paid 84.62 to Njogu Karongo. Well, we will notify you when we receive the funds. I think this is a transaction. I think now we are good to go. What we will do, we will come to the email address, the primary email address, and confirm if that transaction has reflected, because we are expecting to find an email telling us that $84 has been submitted successfully. Let us go to the home and confirm if the balance now reflects 0. We can see now the balance was at 84, it reflects 0. We can see that we can see academic expert. The transaction has not yet gone through. Payoneer, for the transaction to go through, takes about 2 to 3 hours. We can see that after 2 hours, I'm sure the payment will have gone through. At least I've guided you. The tutorial is how to transfer money or cash from one Payoneer account to another one, and it's for free. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment.